Lone Finn here, day 69 of my 5k and 25-minute challenge. Today's 90-minute forest walk will be shorter because it is so cold outside. 30 to 60 minutes is enough. See you tomorrow.